What's up mga boss? This is me, Owen B once again. So ayun, andito naman tayo dito sa Wake Up Call. So good morning from the pinaka nice talaga na tambayan. Sheesh talaga. So it's a fresh morning na naman. So yun. So konti pa na to at this time. So magbe-breakfast muna tayo. So the food for today is long silog pa rin. So with egg, then pancit canton. Ayun. Parang Pinoy breakfast talaga. And aalis na tayo. So here's the entrance actually ng Wake Up. So ayun. Yun talaga. And lalabas na tayo dahil we're on the way para magsimba muna. So ayun. Pero mayroon muna tayong dadaanan na area, which is, this is actually Corrales Avenue guys. So yun. And eto, this is Velas actually. So parang downtown talaga na vibe. So here's 7-Eleven. Then yung yung corner Babayo Street. So yun, downtown na downtown talaga eh. Wow, napaka-scenic talaga yung view dito sa CDO. Sheesh, napakaganda pakinggan yung exhaust ng Kawasaki Ninja. And eto naman tayo sa Starbucks ng Ketkay. So shout out sa mga Grab food riders. So saludo kami sa iyo because it can be an express delivery sa mga gustong mag-eat home. So actually makita yung yung L'Occitane, which is a gold, and McDonald's, Lim Ketkay. And here's the mall that a while ago. In few minutes, let's go to Our Lady of Manaoag Chapel, in which it is located beside Shopwise second floor ng Lim Ketkay Mall. So ayun, so pause muna natin yung speech natin and ilalapag ko yung isa sa mga Bible verses na remind sa atin for this day. Always remember to pray and God is good all the time. And ayun, we are finally here sa gateway ng Ketkay. So lumabas tayo dahil katatapos lang natin nagsimba. So here goes USTPCDO where I study. So ayun. Actually, estudyante ako at the same time while nagva-vlog tayo, and my side also. So anyways, we won't discuss further. So ayun, heto naman yung once again yung gateway, and pumasok naman tayo dito sa SM CDO Downtown Premier. So ayun, here goes the Christmas tree. So grabe talaga yung mga Christmas decors talaga. Wow. So meron na tayo actually sa 4th floor. And napaka-nice talaga yung view ng atrium or yung event area nila. And it's time to eat lunch. So we are at Wing It Flavored Wings, located at 2nd floor, Centrio Garden, Ayala, Centrio Mall ng CDO. So ayun. So let's try their wings talaga. Sana they literally gives me wings. So ayun, take a look. Napaka-classic talaga ng vibes ng ng resto ito. And eto na yung chicken wings, buffalo wings with rice, syempre. Dahil mag-lunch tayo, syempre. So, ayun. And let's time to eat naman. So, bawal yung kutsara tinidor. So, mag-gloves or mag-kamayan muna tayo. And, yun, parang aso. Ay, ba't pumasok si Rosmar dito? Char! Just kidding. So, actually, heto tayo sa Century Garden. So, ayun, sa ground floor naman nila. So, here goes a Christmas tree na naman. So, syempre, because Christmas season is coming since September, ayun, ready talaga. And we are back naman on our vlog. So we are at Sunny Studios. So sana all or magpapa mirror selfie and magpapa window shopping muna tayo for this time. So let's go. Let's go. Napaganda ng glasses nila, and let's do it. Fit muna like we feel talaga. So ayun, mirror selfie, parang gwapo talaga tayo. Syempre, pang-attract ng cuties yan. And another one. Oy, parang kunin sana tayo ni San Pedro. Char! Just kidding. So, ayun. So, pakit naman tayo dahil pang-attract ng mga cuties. And we're finally back sa Wake Up Call. dito na naman natin gagawin yung ibang mga activities for the rest of the day. So ayun, so here's the table. Here's the table, so ilagay muna natin yung napakasarap talaga na iced coffee. And it's time to drink it naman. Syempre, tatak wake up call yan. Diba? Yun. So iced coffee because mainit talaga, napaka-hot ng weather. Hay nako, mag-study naman tayo ulit. Exam naman bukas. It's actually statics and rigid bodies mga boss. So ayun, so force system. Parang what are the types of force system? Parang fino-force mo talaga siya na magiging ano sa'yo. Char! Joke lang. So components of a force. So basta parang hindi basta maintindihan. And yun, so another point of view na naman. So parang napakalamig talaga ng ng loob sa wake up call. Parang gusto ng kakadol. Char. Feeling talaga. And lumabas naman tayo sa wake up call so that we can try another type of meal or dinner. So we are at Atikos Grill. So actually magkatabi lang sila. So ayun. So we're going to approach yung yung menu o yung yung cook. I mean waiter pala, sorry. Talaga. So actually, nagugutom talaga ako. That's why pala, I don't know what I'm saying. Char. Anyways, eto, yung mga liempo, meron pa yung mga chicken inasal. Oh my God. You're making me so hungry. And actually, meron na yung food natin. So, pecho chicken plus maraming rice. Ay, mabusog tayo naman. So, we just implemented rules and regulation. Basta kumain ng chicken inasal, dapat bawal talaga yung kutsara tinidor. So, ay, syempre, kamayan. Para legendary talaga ang dating basta kumakain ng chicken inasal. Yay! Char lang! Anyways, masarap talaga yung yung chicken inasal. So, napakainit talaga ng chicken and pati yung rice, syempre. Sarap sa tiyan. And syempre may pulutan right after. Ay, anong pulutan? Hindi tayo iinom. Actually snack pala. Dessert pala. So actually this is banana chips. So let's try the banana chips ni Bossing for 50 pesos. Actually so it's for sale. And we're back naman inside sa study na naman. Nako. Parang hindi ko basta maintindihan yung sina-study ko. And syempre dapat meron tayong iced matcha latte with coffee syempre. So ayun, so ito nagsistudy at the same time nagsisip ng aking matcha latte para hindi ba sa antokin. Pero gutom na naman, so we just ordered pancit canton na naman and yung ham and cheese sandwich. So sarap talaga, pagtingin pa lang masarap talaga. Gutom na gutom talaga, my God. While nagsa-study, kumakain ng pancit canton at yung yung sandwich at the same time. Yun. Saan ka tumitingin, boss? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Baka sa katabi. Char. Or baka naghanap ng ganda. Ay, char lang. Anyways, kain muna tayo. Let's go. Parang busog naman. And wala tayong maintindihan this time, so we're so sleepy. So, good night muna mga boss. Good morning, and we're again another matcha latte for the day. So ayun, fresh na fresh talaga yung interior. Masarap na morning basta meron sa Wake Up Call Cafe, syempre. So shout out. And take out muna. And we're actually again at UST-PCDO campus. So bumili tayo ng breakfast, slice na biplop, and syempre dala natin yung Wake Up Call natin na matcha latte. So I think that's all. And we're here at Ayala Centrio Mall na naman. So let's watch the napakagandang dancing lights at nights talaga. So it happens until January 14 actually. So don't miss the chance na makakasana all and makakagandahan talaga ng mga lights. Beautiful lights talaga. So yun, let's go. Let's watch.